Ooh, it looks like they're Kate Spade too. Hello again there, beautiful friend. I'm Jess. Welcome back to my channel where I do mostly subscription box, bag reviews, and plus size hauls. Today we are doing a subscription box and it's one of my favorites. We're doing FabFitFun. We've been doing FabFitFun here since the very beginning of my channel. I absolutely love this box. You can check out their website for more details, but basically you can be either a seasonal or an annual member. I am an annual member, and based off of whether you're seasonal or annual, you get to curate your package more if you're an annual. And I'll be honest, I don't know the exact amount, but I think I pay like $200 annually or something like that. But each box is usually over $200 worth of value. So it's worth it to me. So let's check it out. And before we do, let's get into today's loyal subscriber. His name is Sam. Thank you so much, Sam, for being a part of my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the subscribe, hit all the good stuff, because you know it helps me out a lot and it keeps me going. Is it spring and I have a long sleeve t-shirt on? Yes, that is correct. I just got a new tattoo 2 days ago and I have this ugly bandage on, so that's the reason why. I'll reveal it probably next weekend. So if you see it peekabooing under there and it looks kind of gross, that's what it is. So ignore it.
Okay, here is our first look.
And immediately I see what looks like a lottery card. Huh. Ultimate prize pack valued at $10,000. What? I'll have to play that for you at the end of the video, so stick around to see what happens. Here's the next first look. Now let's go one by one. The first thing that popped out here to me are these super cute clips. I did pick these. Look at how cute they are. So that's what they look like individually, gold backs. So product number one, already starting off to a good start. Now, I don't know if the brand is called 8 Other Reasons right there, because on the back it says care for me. So I don't really know if what that means. So anyways, adorable clips. Product number one. Product number two, spoon rest. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. How cute. Now, I have gray and white kitchen, so this was right up my alley. I was really excited about this one, and the brand is Favor. I love it. I can't wait to make this one a part of my kitchen. Product number two. Product number three, this one is, oh, it's opened. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. So I have and are currently using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is the eyeliner that I have never tried. So we're gonna try this out, see how that goes. It says 24-hour non-fading long wear, waterproof, flake proof, non-smudging, easy glide formula. Anyways, I'm excited to try it out. I do like this brand, so we will see. Product number three. Product number four. Let's see what she is. This is by Earth Harbor. Y'all, I'm gonna say this wrong. I don't know if it's Azure Regenerative Neck Cream, seaweed, amino acids, and copper peptides. So, all right. I've gotten stuff from this brand before and I have liked it in the past, so we will see. I've gotten everything I've ever gotten from this brand has been from FabFitFun. So that's what it looks like. Neck cream, because I'm in my mid 30s and it's that time to start doing stuff like that. So that's what it looks like. I don't really smell anything, so I wonder if that's on purpose, like they didn't want a smell to it. Yeah, I don't smell anything at all. I don't think it has a fragrance. But anyways, regenerative neck cream your girl is going to be applying it. Product number 4. Product number 5. This is the famous black soap, Sima Deep Cleansing Bar. So I am a fan of black soap. I don't know if this is going to be basically the same kind of black soap that I'm a fan of, but the African black soap by Shea Moisture is amazing. If you've not tried it and you have any kind of like skin issues, girl, get it. That is the stuff, okay? I've been using it for years and years and years, and I absolutely love it. It's in my bathroom right now. So I saw that this was black soap, so maybe it'll be the same. I don't know. I don't want to open it right now, but maybe I'll find a picture and like post it somewhere. I don't smell anything, and it doesn't tell me that it has a smell, so it probably doesn't. I think the brand is Erno Laszlo. 92. Okay. Product number 5. Let's move on. Product number 6. This one was an add-on. So in each category, you can choose one product, and there was a category that I liked 2 different things, so I added this one on for like an additional $15. So hopefully I like it. So the brand is Vince Camuto, and this is the beauty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, I say, gorgeous. So it's just blue. It's just different shades of blue all the way down. I love it. So I'm happy with that purchase. Vince Camuto. All right. Product number 7. So the brand is, I think, Mented, M-E-N-T-E-D, Blacker Than Berry liquid lipstick. Oh, liquid lipstick. Okay, let's see. Pretty packaging. Oh, look at that. It's dark. It's dark. So I have gloss on, but that's okay. Let's see what she looks like. What do you think? I like it. It's just dark. It's darker than what I typically go for, but I like it. I'm gonna keep it on for the rest of the video. Product number 7. Product number 8, and it's big. Let's see. It's plates. I already know that. So I'm not pretending like I have no clue what's going on here. So they're from Katie Kimmy at Kimmy. I'm not sure how to pronounce that for sure, but that's who they're from. These are a set of 4 melamine plates in navy marine. They are plastic-ish, but I thought they were beautiful. Set of 4. So product number 8, cute little plates. Product number 9, and also the last product in today's box. Feels like a pair of sunglasses. Sometimes I forget what I order. It is a pair of sunglasses. Ooh, girl. Look at that. Got some Kate Spade up in here. Okay. How do they look? How do they look with my new lipstick?
I like them. I think they look great. I'm always down for a new pair of sunglasses.
I loved everything in this box. Sometimes when I get FabFitFun boxes, or really any other subscription box, there's like a couple of items that I'm like, I don't know, that might go to my like giveaway box or Christmas box. But I like every item I got today, so I'm keeping it all. So that's the end of my FabFitFun box. I will put the value up here of the total box, but as I said, I'm gonna do this little scratch off ticket for you. See if I won anything. No, I didn't win anything. You're supposed to match the cakes. I didn't get any matching cakes. And it even says it down here, sorry, not an instant winner. Whatever. Thanks for sticking around to the end of my FabFitFun box. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the subscribe, hit all the good stuff, because you know it helps me out a lot and it keeps me going. Don't forget, you're important. I love you. See you next time.